Hello, welcome to episode 36, still on momentum and impulse. In this episode, we are testing some of the principles we talk about under linear conservation of what? Momentum. So, two bodies of masses 3 kg and 5 kg moving with velocities 2 meter per second and v meter per second, respectively, in the opposite direction and collide. So if they move together after collision with a common velocity of 3.5 meter per second in the direction of the 5 kg mass, we have to find the value of V. This is still on the principles of what? Conservation of energy. Let's say we say before collision, the bodies are going to be, let's say body 1 is moving with this, and body 2, not the size are not taken into consideration. So this is going to be M1, this is going to be M2. This is your velocity of what? U1. Then here is going to be U2. This is where we have the V. This is where we have the 2 meter per what? Seconds, right? Two meter per seconds, and the mass here is also give us what? 3 kg, and the mass here is giving us what? 5 kg. So let's see after collision, when they collide together, the two bodies are now stuck together. So we have M1, M2 now moving with what? A common velocity. Now, in this case, if we take this as our positive sense, this is what the direction we want the bodies to go. If the body is going in the opposite direction, then your V is going to be negative. Then your U2 will also be what? Negative. So by the principle, let's have our M1 U1 minus M2 U2 equals to negative M1 M2 times what? V. Remember, by the principles of conservation of linear momentum, momentum before collision and after collision are the same. By here, the negative is giving us the opposite direction. You can see that this is moving in the opposite direction, hence U2 is negative. It is plus, but this U2 negative will have effect on this. Now the bodies are also moving in the opposite direction to the first body. So the final velocity is also going to be negative. So this negative is coming from that direction. So now if we substitute, we can have our 3 times 2, which is the velocities and the mass here, minus 5 times V. V being the initial velocity of the second body, equals to negative 3, 5, 3.5. And from that, we can have 6 minus 5V equals to negative 8 times 3.5. And that will give us 6. 5V equals to, when we multiply 8 by 3.5, we should be having negative 28. Let's maintain this here as what? Negative 5V, 28. We subtract this. That make our negative 5V equals to negative 34. So let's say V will now become negative 34 divided by negative what? 5. And let's see, is it 34? 34 divided by 5. That will give your V to be equal to 6.8 meter per what? Second. So the value we are looking for is going to be 6.8. All right, thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and come back for more.